Imagine a summer getaway where you're not surrounded by hordes of tourists, but instead, you're experiencing something truly unique. Hidden gems with breathtaking beauty, untouched landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. Sounds like your dream vacation? Well, today we're taking you to summer destinations you've probably never heard of. These places are off the beaten path, offering serenity, adventure, and an authentic escape like no other. Ready to explore some secret summer paradises? Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Plan My Trip. Have you ever scrolled through endless vacation photos, seeing the same crowded beaches, the same bustling city squares, and thought, there has to be something more? Something truly unique, where you're not just another face in a sea of tourists, but an explorer discovering a hidden gem? 1. Pharaoh Islands, Denmark, where the land touches the sky. Our first stop takes us to a place that feels like it's been plucked straight from a fantasy novel. The Pharaoh Islands. Imagine this, an archipelago suspended halfway between Iceland and Norway. A place so rugged, so dramatically beautiful, it almost feels unreal. I remember seeing a photo of a tiny lone house nestled in a green valley here, and it instantly sparked my curiosity. These aren't your typical beach holidays, folks. These are for the nature lovers, for those who crave raw, untamed beauty and an escape from the ordinary. What makes the Faroe Islands so special? It's the sheer, unadulterated peace and an almost otherworldly landscape. It's still wonderfully under the radar for most travelers, meaning you can spend your days in blissful solitude. Picture yourself embarking on a challenging hike to the famous Drangarnir sea stack, its archway carved by centuries of Atlantic waves, or discovering the iconic Mulafossur waterfall in Gassadalur, tumbling directly into the ocean, a view that truly takes your breath away. You can explore remote villages like Saxon, with its turf-roofed houses nestled by a tidal lagoon, or take a ferry to the puffin-filled island of Mykonos for an unforgettable wildlife encounter. The island's rich Norse culture and history, combined with their dramatic natural beauty, create an atmosphere of profound tranquility and adventure. If you're seeking profound solitude, incredible hiking, and breathtaking views, the Faroes are calling your name. Up next, we're heading to an island nation so biodiverse it feels like it's from another planet, home to some of the most unique creatures on Earth. 2. Madagascar, the island time forgot, in the best way. Now, you might think you know Madagascar. Exotic wildlife, incredible landscapes, thanks to a certain animated movie. But what many still don't grasp is the sheer mind-boggling diversity of this island nation. It's like stepping onto another planet, a living laboratory of evolution. I've always been fascinated by unique ecosystems, and Madagascar is the ultimate playground for that fascination. From vast arid deserts that stretch to the horizon in the south, to dense emerald rainforests teeming with unique lemurs you won't find anywhere else on Earth, like the dancing sifakas or the iconic ring-tailed lemurs, to stretches of pristine white sand beaches bordering the Indian Ocean, Madagascar truly offers a perfect cocktail of adventure, culture, and pure, blissful relaxation. Imagine diving into the crystal-clear waters off Nosy Be, a smaller island off the northwest coast, so stunning it feels photoshopped, with vibrant coral reefs bursting with marine life, perfect for world-class diving and snorkeling. Or venture inland to the Avenue of the Baobabs near Morondava, where these towering ancient trees with their upside-down roots create a surreal, almost spiritual experience as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues. You can explore the dramatic limestone karsts of the Tsingy-de-Bemaraha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or hike through the lush landscapes of Isolo National Park, often called Madagascar's Grand Canyon. Madagascar isn't just a destination, it's an immersive journey into a world unlike any other, promising a summer filled with discovery, wonder, and truly unforgettable encounters. Up next, we're heading to a peaceful kingdom nestled high in the Himalayas where happiness is the national priority and ancient monasteries cling to mountainsides. 3. Bhutan, the kingdom of happiness. My dream of visiting Bhutan has been growing for years, and for good reason. Nestled high in the eastern Himalayas, Bhutan isn't just one of the world's most unique countries. It's a pioneer in prioritizing gross national happiness over gross national product. How incredible is that? It's a land where ancient traditions are fiercely protected, and the stunning natural beauty is revered. Spending your summer here means escaping into a realm of profound tranquility, surrounded by majestic, snow-capped mountains, and intricately adorned Buddhist monasteries. Imagine embarking on a challenging yet incredibly rewarding hike to the iconic Tiger's Nest Monastery, Pharaoh perched precariously on a sheer cliff face, feeling the centuries of devotion emanating from its sacred walls. Or explore the vibrant Punakha Dzong, considered one of the most beautiful fortresses in Bhutan, strategically located at the confluence of two rivers. You can trek through lush, rhododendron-filled valleys, discover hidden temples, and participate in traditional festivals adorned with colorful masks and dances. The Bhutanese emphasis on happiness, spiritual well-being, and environmental sustainability isn't just a policy. It's a deeply ingrained way of life that truly rubs off on you, offering a unique opportunity for introspection and connection. For a summer of profound peace, genuine cultural immersion, and breathtaking natural beauty that inspires awe, Bhutan is an unforgettable pilgrimage. And speaking of profound peace, how about a small island nation in the vast Pacific? So remote and untouched, it feels like it's your own private slice of tropical heaven? 4. Kiraabati, your own private Pacific paradise. Now, for those of you who truly want to disappear off the grid for a remote and exotic summer experience that feels like you've stumbled upon a secret map, let me introduce you to Kiraabati. I mean, just the name sounds like a whisper of a distant dream, right? This small island nation, scattered across the vast Pacific Ocean, is the epitome of a tropical paradise utterly untouched by mass tourism. We're talking about waters so crystal clear you can see every vibrant fish darting among the coral, beaches so unspoiled you might be the only footprints on them for miles, and a marine life diversity that will make any snorkeler or diver weep with joy. The 33 atolls and reef islands that make up Kiraabati offer an unparalleled sense of solitude. Whether you're exploring the incredibly remote Phoenix Islands protected area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's literally one of the largest and deepest marine protected areas globally, preserving one of the last pristine coral archipelagos on Earth, or simply lounging on the powdery sands of Tarawa, the main atoll, Kiraabati offers a level of pristine beauty that very few places on the planet can still match. You can spend your days snorkeling in untouched lagoons, trying your hand at traditional fishing, or simply relaxing in a hammock under swaying palm trees, listening to the gentle rhythm of the waves. The best part? With so few tourists, you genuinely feel like you've discovered your own personal hidden treasure. It's the ultimate escape for true solitude, untouched natural splendor, and a genuine Pacific Island experience. From remote Pacific atolls, we're zipping across to Europe's best-kept secret, a cluster of volcanic islands off Portugal, where lush greenery meets dramatic crater lakes and natural hot springs. 5. Azors, Portugal, Europe's volcanic secret. Now, let's head closer to Europe, but still far, far away from the usual crowds. The Azores, a cluster of 9 volcanic islands in the middle of the Atlantic, are quite possibly one of Europe's best-kept secrets. I remember seeing photos of their vibrant green landscapes and thinking, is this real? Or is it a painting? And let me tell you, it's real, and it's even more stunning in person, offering a unique blend of adventure and serene beauty. These islands offer an incredible summer experience for anyone who loves raw nature, geological wonders, and a bit of invigorating adventure. Picture this: exploring São Miguel, the largest island, and being absolutely mesmerized by the iconic Sete Cidades, twin crater lakes, one a brilliant blue, the other a deep green, nestled within a massive volcanic caldera, best viewed from the Vista do Rei viewpoint. Beyond the breathtaking views, you can embark on thrilling whale-watching tours, as the Azores are a prime spot for various whale and dolphin species. Hike through ancient volcanic trails that lead to hidden waterfalls and dramatic coastal vistas. After a day of exploration, soak your worries away in the iron-rich natural thermal pools of Furnas or Caldera Velha, heated by the Earth's core. You can also explore charming towns like Ponta Delgada, taste delicious local cheeses and wines, and witness the unique Cozido das Furnas, a traditional stew cooked underground by volcanic steam. The Azores are proof that you don't need to sacrifice peace, authenticity, or excitement for an unforgettable summer escape. It's an adventurer's dream wrapped in emerald green. So there you have it. 5 summer destinations that are truly off the beaten path, offering experiences that transcend the ordinary. Whether you're a hardened adventurer, a curious nature lover, or simply someone who craves genuine solitude and discovery, each of these places offers something profoundly unique and unforgettable. I'm genuinely curious. Which one of these secret summer paradises would you pack your bags for first? Or maybe you've even been to one of them and have a hidden gem of your own to share? Drop your pick or your own secret travel suggestions in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing about your travel dreams and discoveries. And hey, if you loved exploring these incredible spots with me, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Plan My Trip for more hidden travel gems, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and happy travels from your friends here at Plan My Trip.